Physical injuries after an accident can oftentimes be the easiest to address and treat. What's more complicated are the mental injuries or the emotional injuries. When clients come to us, physical injuries are pretty obvious. They know that their neck hurts, their back hurts, their shoulder hurts, and we know this is what you have to do to treat those kinds of injuries. The injuries that can be less obvious are mental or emotional. They're not something that you can see or touch or feel, but the client knows that something is wrong. And when that happens, our advice most often is we've got to get you to the professional that can help you navigate what ends up being something that maybe you've never experienced before. So when we have a client that comes to us with those kinds of complaints, PTSD, some sort of cognitive impairment, maybe a concussion or some other brain injury, we want to get them to the professional. If we think it's a brain injury, maybe we're sending them to a neurologist. If it's a mental or emotional injury like PTSD, we're going to send them to a licensed counselor or a psychologist or psychiatrist. And those professionals can document our client's condition and also help our client navigate what they're inevitably going to encounter, which is perhaps the same scenario that got them hurt in the first place. If they've been in a car wreck and they have to drive to work or to pick up their kids or just to live their life, they have to get back behind the wheel. And we want to help them get back to the way they were before with the help of a professional. And that might mean getting them the proper coping mechanisms so that they know they can get behind the wheel, get through that emotional discomfort, and live their life as best they can until they get fully recovered physically, or in this case, mentally. So if you've been hurt, whether there's a physical injury or not, and you're dealing with emotional distress, mental pain and suffering, call us. We can help. Our phone number is 833-GET-RUDE, which is 833-438-7833. Our website is getrude.com. We have helped hundreds of clients recover millions of dollars, including clients that only had mental or emotional injuries. And we can help you too. Tune in for more as we explore the trials and tribulations of getting injured in Louisiana. Hope to see you soon.